Hi all, hope you are doing well. Today I'm revealing secrets you have to know to become successful with affiliate marketing. I'm going to share with you some products to choose, the traffic you need to use, and how to promote products. I will reveal the secret no one shares with you when you start this journey. I will take you through the process and I will also share some tips how you can make this work for you. If you want to make money online but have not started yet, or you have started but need more information on how to grow your business, then this is the video for you. I'm Dr. Lundi from LegitBlueprint.com, where I provide content, videos, tutorials and reviews to help you to grow your online business. If you want to learn how to make money online in an honest and evergreen way, click on the link below and jump into the free training. Subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you will be notified immediately when my new video is released. Make money online is real and it does work, but you need to use the correct strategies to make this work. This is not easy. It's hard work in the beginning. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Once you master the blueprint strategy and the process, you're on your way to making your money online. What is affiliate marketing? You get paid when someone buys a product. You promote someone else's product. You need to provide the traffic, and this is all you have to do as an affiliate marketer. The great thing about being an affiliated marketer, you have a good product from someone else. You do not need your own product. You have all the sales pages and the information you need to be able to promote the product. The only thing you will need to do is to focus on the traffic and getting the product to the people who needs it and are looking for the product. The trend today with this process is that people who start with this just dive in, choose a product and spam the internet with links of the product. This never worked and you will not make money with this type of strategy. When you listen to videos about affiliate marketing, it sounds easy, but you never get to the real secret of how to do it the effective way. As I want to help you, I'm giving you my blueprint on how to use this process in an effective way. As I have been through this, I want to be totally transparent and help you not to make the same mistakes I did, as it cost me money and, most important, my time. Let's look at what to promote. First, you have to find a problem. You have to look at a product that will be long-term for you, a product that people will need, a product with a recurring income, something that can make you money for a long time, something with potential to increase your income. Some of the products I'm promoting can give you 30 to 40% commission, and this can even go up to 75% in some cases. A new product that's on the market today, I'm promoting, and I know this will have a recurring income for me for a long time, is Groove Funnels. You can join for free and you will still get 20% commission if someone subscribes to a paid plan. It's 100% free, no fees, get free access, no credit card, and you will get 20% commission as a free subscriber of this. This is an example of a product you can promote starting today, and you do not need any money to start. I have added the link below the video for you to start if you feel like it. This is something that people need to build their businesses, and you will make a 20% commission as a free subscriber. Now, this video is not only about what I promote, but how to promote. GrooveFunnels, the better way to build pages, funnels, and sell products. Get lifetime access for free. Powerful funnel builder and checkout solutions. No credit card needed. 100% free. No fees. Get free access. No credit card needed. As a free subscriber, earn 20% if anyone subscribes. Sign up below and start today, and you can make your first income. So my solution, if we look at GrooveFunnels and why I decided to promote them, I will educate people, show them the product that can solve their problem. This product has pre-made funnels that they can use, and I will support them through their journey. So this is why I will use GrooveFunnels for anyone with a new business or an existing business that needs funnels. So this is just an example I use to show you how it works. And you can do it in any niche. The main idea, you need to find a problem and give the customer a solution to be able to help them. Now let's look at promoting ClickBank. How to promote products. Remember, you have to give value to the customer. If they have a problem, you have to give value and solve their problem. So finding a solution or a product that will help with the problem will be a good idea, and it must be effective. We don't sell products to customers that's not working or is of low quality. I always make sure I know the product, I know the quality before I put my name to something that I'm promoting. If you're thinking of promoting ClickBank products, make sure you look at recurring income for long-term income that you need. I added examples here to show you where to look and which products I'm promoting that are doing well for me. You have to write a short paragraph about the product and link your link to it, and then you can advertise. But let's look at the first product, Cinderella Solution. This is in the health and fitness niche, and this is the #1 selling product on ClickBank for losing weight. If you look at this blue arrows, it means this have a monthly income for you. And the gravity, I usually look at gravity, 168 for gravity is a high score. It means 168 affiliate marketers promoted this product in the last 30 days. Don't you think this is good? Go ahead, start today. The next product is for somebody in the woodworking niche or do it yourself. Ted's Woodworking is also an excellent product. They also have a monthly recurring income, so you will get money. And the other thing, the gravity is 213, which is also very high. This is the 3 products from ClickBank. I took the picture, wrote a short note, and made sure that I mentioned the price. For 16,000 projects, it only cost them $67. And if they click here to get it, this is where I linked my affiliate link. So if anybody buys this product or any of the products, because there's quite a few, I would get commission. This is the CB University. I also just wrote a short notice about their training programs as I know them. They're very good. They're packed with step-by-step videos. There's interviews with experts, and it's a good product. So I don't mind to sell this to someone for $47 per month. There's a recurring income, so they will pay monthly and I will get a commission. The last product, this is the Cinderella Solution for losing weight. So if anybody buys this, I get my income. Hope you got the idea of how affiliate marketing works. Use the steps and you will become successful. Traffic, the last thing we have to look at. Never pay for traffic. Paid traffic is the lowest quality traffic that you can get. If you don't know what you're doing and you're a newbie in this market, I'm always saying use free traffic. Once you write a little story and once you have your product nicely put together, you can put it on Facebook, you can put it on Pinterest, you can send it by email to your friends or by anybody, because then you're not spamming them. I also have a video of how to advertise affiliate marketing products on Facebook without spamming them. If you want more information about affiliate marketing, I have another video for you, promoting ClickBank products for free. You don't have to pay a thing and you can get your monthly income from ClickBank products. If you find this helpful, please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell not to miss any of my future videos. I'm Dr. Lundi from LegitBlueprint.com, where I provide content videos, tutorials, and reviews to help you grow your online business. If you want to learn more on how to make money online in an honest and evergreen way, click on the link below and jump into my free training. My video question for today: do you need help with affiliate marketing? I can help you. Check out the link below and sign up for the free training, and also GrooveFunnels. This is the future. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video on the other side of the screen.